Hi friends, so one of the very big announcements related to the coding. So as you know that TCS NQT 2026 hiring has been out and I already made a detailed video regarding that what is the pattern and how to apply and all that things. Now most important part that you have already seen that they are hiring for the digital and prime role, not the ninja role. Okay, so वो लोग वही ninja role के लिए नहीं hire कर रहे हैं. So that's why coding play a critical role to crack this important role, that is digital and prime. And you know friends, you have to work hard, and without coding I can tell you that you will not able to crack these things. Okay, so plan आपका क्या होना चाहिए, what should be your strategy, that I already video I have uploaded. Okay, so I will not talk about all that things. So in this video there is just a small announcement related to coding playlist. So in upcoming next 20 days I will try to cover at least 50 plus repeated questions that will be important to you for the upcoming NQT exams. Okay, so I will suggest just go through all those things, and I have made a playlist for this, and I will add regularly 2 to 3 videos daily at least, so that you will be aware of the exam and coding pattern. Okay, so little bit I will talk that what will your strategy should follow in these 20 days, because coding play a critical role. Okay, so before giving you any strategy and other things, that I want to tell, first of all friends, you should cover these in two playlists. First things, before starting the coding you should know that how to take input, and this is one of the biggest issue friends lots of students are facing. Okay, I can also tell one of friends who is basically, you can say, pro in coding, and who have done a lots of contest in lead code and all that things, but still he can't able to solve the NQT coding problem. Why? Because he don't know how to take input. Okay, why? Because there was so much easy question related to some of your term, and almost those who know how to take input, they able to solve the questions, but जिनको पता नहीं था भाई, उनको बहुत दिक्कत हुआ. So I will suggest first go through that video. I will pin that video in description. सबसे पहले आप सीखिए हाउ टू टेक कोडिंग क्वेश्चंस, एंड टिल उसके बाद जब तक आपका प्लेलिस्ट में लॉन्च नहीं करता हूँ, मीन्स न्यू वीडियो नहीं आता, तब तक आप प्रीवियस ईयर कोडिंग क्वेश्चंस को जरूर देख लें. दैट विल इंपॉर्टेंट टू यू, एंड दिस इज एग्जैक्ट क्वेश्चन विद PDF I have provided. Okay, so let me move to some important things. So what are the important point that I will tell? So before starting the coding I will suggest that forget your previous coding habits. What actually I mean to say, don't use any ID. अगर आप VS Code में कर रहे हैं या देव C++ या कहीं डिफ़ॉल्ट ID है या लीड कोड पे कर रहे हैं, don't practice the code on that. Use simple notepad or any online compiler where you have to write code from scratch. ओके, स्क्रैच से मीन्स इंपोर्ट से लेके लास्ट तक आप कीजिएगा. पाइथन में कर रहे हैं तो अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू बेसिकली राइट द कोड फ्रॉम द ब्लैंक पेज. ओके, यानी आपका पूरा ब्लैंक पेज होना चाहिए, और आप कह सकते हैं कि कुछ भी उसमें आपका सजेशन नहीं होना चाहिए. यू कैन से दिस थिंग्स फ्रॉम हेयर, यू हैव टू राइट द code. Okay, means from scratch. That is the important point that I want to tell. Focus on the basics first. Especially I want to tell all of those students who don't know any of coding question, then still आपको कम से कम बेसिक्स पे फर्स्ट ध्यान देना चाहिए. एंड इफ़ यू नो द कोडिंग देन दैट इज थिंग्स मीन दैट इज़ गुड, दैट यू आर गुड टू गो एंड प्रैक्टिस मोर एंड मोर कोडिंग क्वेश्चंस. कोडिंग क्वेश्चंस क्या कौन कौन सा करना चाहिए उसके रिलेटेड मैं वीडियो ऑलरेडी बना चुका हूँ, बट करंटली मैं बोलूँ तो सबसे पहले आप एरे, स्ट्रिंग, देन स्टैक्स, क्यू एंड देन ग्राफ वगैरह कर सकते हैं. Okay, but your main focus should be array, string and stack queues. That is important things, and must know the library to include. Okay, don't tell that I will include hashtag include bits std++.h. So in some case actually it happened that they are not able to take, or that library is not supporting. So that is the important issue related to TCS, and बहुत लोग पता नहीं रहता, and they are pretty much sure that यार मैं लीड कोड पे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ, देन आई विल एबल टू सॉल्व ऑन दैट थिंग्स. सो यू शुड अवॉइड दोज मिस्टेक्स. दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. Okay, so these are the some important and you can say most repeated concept in the TCS. So आप ये पैटर्न का क्वेश्चन बनाना शुरू कर दें, एंड मैं इस प्लेलिस्ट में ऐड करते जाऊँगा, इसी पैटर्न पे क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे. ओके, दैट इज रिलेटेड टू एरे रोटेशन, आइदर लेफ्ट रोटेशन और राइट रोटेशन, सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट, हाउ टू रिमूव डुप्लीकेट, टू पेयर सम और टू सम, प्रीफिक्स सम, cadence algorithm, that is maximum sub array sum. My friend, maximum sub array, or you can say sub array topics is very very important in context to TCS coding pattern. Okay, so you should work on that things too. Coming to next, that is the related to strings. So these are the most repeated type of, you can say, patterns are there, and I have analyzed previous 2-3 year coding questions, and you can go through it. Okay, so these are the important topics you should know, and especially for the higher package, especially digital and prime, you have to solve coding question. Again I'm saying aptitude is good, that yeah you will be able to solve, but we have to work on all those things too. Okay, And coming to next important part, that is the priority order. What should the priority order, on what topic you should basically focus? So first start with array, then string, then recursion and mathematics based problem, okay, means bit manipulation and other things, then sorting and searching and stack hash map. And further अगर आपको टाइम मिल रहा है then you can go through the DP and other things, but start from the array string. If you have clear cut idea about all those things, then you can move to next topics. But अगर आपको नहीं पता है then don't look at other student that वो लोग ये रिकर्सन का बना रहे हैं and they are making of this type of questions और DP बना रहे हैं. You should know your own potential and prepare accordingly, okay. Don't basically follow others. That the thing I want to tell you. You know yourself very well, okay. So आपको पता है कि आपका क्या वीक पॉइंट है, क्या स्ट्रॉन्ग है. सो अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू एनालाइज एंड डू ऑल दैट थिंग्स. And again saying main things is that in coding you have to do hands on. You have to write the code, okay. Whenever I will discuss the code, then you have to practice those code by writing from scratch. जो भी मैं कोडिंग क्वेश्चन में प्लेलिस्ट में ऐड करूँगा, आप क्या करें, जो क्वेश्चन बता रहा हूँ उसको आप खुद से स्टार्ट से एंड तक क्वेश्चन को वाले समझ लीजिए एंड देन आप उसको कीजिएगा, ओके. एंड डोंट जंप टू द सोल्यूशन डायरेक्टली. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू एनालाइज बाय योर सेल्फ एंड प्रैक्टिस एटलीस्ट 2 to 3 coding questions daily. And again saying don't use ID. So this is the coding playlist and I will provide you complete solution for Java, C++ and Python. So you can follow this playlist and this will be wonderful for you. So make sure to share this video with your friend and like this so that it will motivate me for upcoming playlist, or you can say for upcoming videos, okay. So make sure to like this session, that will really helpful for me too, okay. And focus on speed and accuracy, that's the other things, okay. And mock test is very very important. Mock test means we have to basically practice at least 3 to 4 questions daily, okay. So these are the important things and important plan you should know. Means you should know that what are the weak area you have to focus and make your plan accordingly. And daily आप एक sheet में target बना कर रखिए. My friends, again I am saying take this NQT very very you can say seriously, otherwise you will get very less opportunity in with compared to this kind of mass hiring will not gonna come again, okay, until and unless you are very lucky. So currently Deloitte में बहुत लोग का रिजेक्शन हुआ था and I was saying that you have to prepare. दो अभी कॉग्निजेंट या अदर कंपनी का हायरिंग आएगा, बट टेक एवरी अपॉर्चुनिटी एज लास्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी, then only you can crack this exam. So that's the important point I want to tell. So final tips that I want to tell, that focus on consistency and you should be motivated, okay. Take proper sleep, proper things and avoid overthinking. This is very important things. Don't know that, means don't think all those things that अरे भाई मैंने कोडिंग पहले से नहीं किया and I don't know anything, these all things. So don't surround yourself with negative thoughts and negative points. That's the important things. And believe in yourself, you can crack it. And still 20 or 25 days are enough to crack this exam. ऐसा कोई कुछ बड़ा एग्ज़ाम नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं कि आपका गूगल और इसके लेवल का रहेगा. सो यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस एंड यू हैव टू बी मोटिवेटेड. सो मिलते हैं आपका फर्स्ट वीडियो में रिलेटेड टू द कोडिंग क्वेश्चंस. एंड अगेन सेइंग, जब तक आपका कोडिंग क्वेश्चंस इस प्लेलिस्ट में ऐड नहीं होता तब तक आप प्रीवियस ईयर कोडिंग क्वेश्चन देख सकते हैं विद कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन आई हैव शेयर्ड देयर and must know how to take input. Hope informative to you. If you any query, feel free to ask your comment here. And all the best for your further preparation. I hope you will get job in this year. कोई भी query हो, feel free to ask here. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय.